Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add text in Canva. Let's begin. Adding text to your design in Canva is easy and can be done in just a few steps. Once you are logged into your account, open an existing design or start a new one. Now on the left side panel of your dashboard, you would notice that there's going to be a text tab, and this would give you options for different types of text. All right, you can have a magic write your first draft fast with magic write. If you want to try it out, you are welcome to do so. But these are going to be some of the default text styles that Canva has or offers you to use. The font combinations, you see, there's a lot. Now, you can add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. If you do that, for example, I'm going to put in this. I'm going to the elements here. I'm going to add some YouTube. Now, this is basically how you add text here in Canva. It's very easy, really. Now, this will open up a lot of options on the top corner. You see, these are going to be some of the font style. You can use all of this. Anton, Archival Black, League Spartan, Eastman Grotesque. You see, there's a lot. Gagelin, Ariel, Brittany, Strike Hand. So let's gonna choose Comic Sans for now. You see, after that, you can have the different text colors. You have all of these at your disposal. You can use whatever color that best reflects your brand and identity. Not only that, you can also add in some other features like uppercase, strike through, alignment, and you have the transparency. If you can control the intensity, the effects. If you wanted to have like a shadow, you see that? These are some outline. If you want to have an outline, neon, glitch, echo. So for example, a curve if you wanted. Basically, you are not limited with how you can feel. There's also the option for animation. You see that? You can add it to make your font a little bit dynamic. Pop, wipe, blur, succession, breathe, baseline, tumble, tectonic, drift. So there's a lot that you can work with. Pulse and wiggle. All right. Now, hovering back again to the text right here. These are some of the samples. If you want, since it's almost Halloween, you can add this one right here. If you think that this is gonna be the right design for you, click on the play button to ensure that the text is correct so that you can communicate your message clearly while enhancing the visual appeal of your design. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.